in our homecoming court have had a fun past 2 weeks here at Millikan with the pageant and Spirit Week. Last Thursday, 10 girls competed in a pageant, and here before you are the top 5. Sarah Menangan, Riley Minkoff, Lauren Anderson, Giselle Ayan, and Jamie Cole. These young ladies have been campaigning all week to gain the vote of the student body here at Millikan High School. In no particular order, here are the bios of our homecoming court. Giselle Ayan is an active member of the Millikan community who dedicates countless hours of her time to the school's drama and dance department. If crowned queen tonight, she would like to help promote an inclusive, breathing environment that accepts everyone for who they are and to make everyone feel free to express themselves. Thank you, Giselle Ayan. Riley Minkoff is a passionate Millikan Ram who began getting involved with the school from the start of her freshman year. She's been a part of the drama department and now is presiding over the Crest Ambassadors Club. If elected queen, Riley feels that her greatest responsibility would be to represent Millikan with pride and spirit. Thank you, Riley Minkoff. Jamie Cole can be found all over Millikan High School. She's a member of the dance department, a member of Focus, and in several clubs. She believes that her greatest responsibility as queen would be to encourage other students to get involved in the Millikan spirit through going to sporting events and becoming active in the Millikan community. Jamie Cole. Tonight, she hopes to get everyone involved in activities and boost school spirit. Sarah Menangan. Lauren Anderson feels that her social skills will help boost the morale here at Millikan and make congratulations, Giselle.